हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ द पार्ट 2 ऑफ द वीडियो। ये सेकंड पार्ट है। होप आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट अच्छा दिखाऊंगा। यार प्लीज़ तो कमेंट में बताया करो कैसा दिखा वीडियो, तभी तो पता चलेगा कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो सही है नहीं है, आपको पसंद आ रहा नहीं आ रहा। तो प्लीज़ शेयर योर फीडबैक इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। और अभी आप जो भी आगे देखने वाले हैं, ये कोई प्रमोशन वीडियो नहीं है, ना कोई कंपनी हमारे को पैसे दी, ना मेरे को गेव एंड राइट से स्पॉन्सर्ड हुआ ये वीडियो। ये सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे है। मेरा सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंटेंशन ये था कि मार्केट में बहुत से राइडिंग बूट्स है, प्रमोशंस बहुत सौ का होगा, तो मैनी पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट द एक्चुअल यूज़ ऑफ राइडिंग बूट्स आर, which are the actual riding boots, what they can be use of. तो इट इज़ जस्ट अ इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो। ये वीडियो सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन देने का से बनाई गई, कोई ब्रांड को प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे, किसी को अच्छा किसी को बुरा, कुछ नहीं होगा। ये कम्प्लीटली एक इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो है। सो आगे देखिए, और दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ गोना हेल्प यू अलॉट। अगर आप राइडिंग बूट नहीं ले रहे, कोई आपका दोस्त लेना चाह रहा, कोई लद्दाख को जाना चाह रहा, कोई लॉन्ग रोड राइड शुरू करना चाह रहा, तो प्लीज़ ये देखो और उनको भी शेयर करो, बताओ क्या क्या है। सो दिस इज़ अ मस्ट वॉच वीडियो बिफोर बाइंग अ राइडिंग बूट्स। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Okay, so as you would have seen, there are shoes. These are riding boots which we have kept. But the main reason for focusing on riding boots is people will go for a jacket because that makes them look cool. And knee guard, people think that okay fine, पैर सलामत रहना चाहिए, इसलिए knee guard थोड़े बहुत लोग ले लेते हैं, थोड़े लोग जो actually they have the knowledge, they buy riding pants. So that knowledge is there with many of us, but people think that normal sneakers पहन के जाने से या loafers पहन के जाने से riding में चल जाएगा, but very few people understand the importance of this. So here I've kept a different categories of boots so that Manan Bhai can explain what each one has to offer and what pricing they are in and what benefits you will get if you go higher or if you come lower. So let ask him. सुमन भाई बताइए क्या क्या टाइप के बूट्स होते हैं पहले, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से तो सभी सेम दिखते हैं, कोई सिर्फ हाइट का डिफरेंस दिख रहा है। तो बताइए क्या क्या टाइप के बूट्स होते हैं और उसका एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस।
सो राइडिंग बूट्स जब हम आते हैं, सो देर आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ राइडिंग बूट्स. यू गेट योर स्ट्रीट अर्बन बूट्स, यू गेट समथिंग मे बी फॉर योर शॉर्ट टूर्स जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट राइड टाइप के जा रहे हैं, और इफ़ यू वांट समथिंग फॉर टूरिंग स्पेसिफिकली you pick up boots for that. If you want to do adventure touring, there are separate boots for that. If you want to do track, so then there are track boots for it. So please be informed what is your purpose, and accordingly आप segment देखो कि this is where I need the boots.
So what are the category, what we call this boots are, like this short boots, what do we call them?
So it's not really short and long. Abhi short is just height specific. Say suppose these I would maybe use it only in the city. These I would use it for my city or short touring and stuff like that. This is for your adventure touring. This is again you can use for touring because अभी इतना बड़ा मैं पहन के city में तो नहीं घूमूंगा, and I would need more protection when I'm going on a tarmac touring or an off-roading. So maybe I can use this for something like that. Again, Orazo is the entry level, so you get to know what a boot is and what you would want in a boot. You can go for the Solace for a complete touring boot. It's a complete feature packed stuff.
So to start with, we'll start with Orazo boots. So मनन भाई बताइए ये क्या टाइप का बूट है और what it has to offer and what price range this comes in.
So Orazo, they had been making safety shoes, and a lot of riders are also using it for motorcycling. I wouldn't say this is a complete riding boot because it lacks a lot of protection. But if you're wearing your sneakers or something like that, then definitely this is something you should be exchanging yourself to. So Orazo comes with various models. This will be a full length model. This will be a half length model. So they've concentrated on pricing quite a lot. So this is priced very economically, 5,000 for a boot, and this is priced at around 4,000. The features of these boots. So they come with a steel toe. Now a lot of us riders also want the front protection in the boots, and steel toe is something what they're giving. Along with that, you get a good heel. So a lot of our rides, we want to trek a little bit, say suppose 500 meters or a kilometer, to go to our destination after we get out from the bike. So you see, you get a very good sole, which is something like a trekking boot. So you get a good sole. The company claims that these are waterproof. We haven't really come to a point where we say it's 100% waterproof, because none of the boots will be 100% waterproof. It has, a lot of these brands, they always say 99.99% waterproof. You know the obvious reasons for it. So you get good protection on your toes. You get a decent amount of protection near your heels, as well as a good sole. Will be a lightweight, comfortable boot. But again, as I said, these are safety shoes which we use for motorcycle touring, but not a riding boot completely.
So next comes Solace. Over to you.
Solace, one of the most upcoming and one of the most aggressive brand I've seen in the market right now. They always keep looking at getting the best product, best value for money things, which if we are starting as a rider, we can pick it up. Maybe in our journey to buy the most expensive gear and look the best possible, we can pick up something like Solace as a baby step for us. So Solace, they've concentrated a lot in the riding boot. I can say this is one of the riding boot which you can pick up for touring. So you see, you get a safe foot technology here. So that helps you slide when you're having a fall. So normally what happens when you have a fall, this kind of movement happens, which twists your ankle. So when you see a lot of our other products also, we keep looking at how to slide more and then come to a halt during a crash. So they help in sliding quite a lot. You have a very good front toe protection, as well as you have a reinforced gear area. You will get good heel protection as well as your ankle protection. So you also have extra ankle sliders over here. It comes with a Drytech membrane inside for waterproofing. Again, the company does not claim it's 100% waterproof, but they have done everything they could to keep you dry when the terrain is wet. These would become a very good touring boot because one has comfort, is simple and sober, which all the touring boots are normally. And again, not 100% waterproof, but yes, they've done whatever they could to keep you dry. They don't claim it. I again say they don't claim it. It's 99.99%. But yes, it's one of the boots you can pick up. It's priced at around 10,500, which is a decent price to pick up a riding boot. In case you feel this is a lot, कि नहीं यार 10,000 रुपये मुझे riding boot पे नहीं डालना है, rental option है हमारे पास.
Next is Tarmac. This is a new one.
Yeah, so Tarmac has been there in the market since a while, but उन्होंने ज़्यादा marketing किया नहीं, ज़्यादा products थे नहीं, and a lot of products had a little bit of plus and minus. So they've renewed, re-improved a lot of their products. They have jackets, gloves, pants, a lot of things are there. Boots will be there. So one such boot is something like this, which is called the Tarmac Adventure. So now a lot of our riders, we have now evolved from basic tarmac touring to off-roading, adventure touring and all those things. So people having bikes like Himalayan, your Tigers, the GS or your Adventure 390, such kinds of people want a mix of touring as well as adventure, right? So something like this is what would suit your kind of purpose. Again, in this you have the full length as well as the half length. You get colors of brown and black, so you can choose as for whatever you require. A very sturdy boot. So here you get a good sole as well. So when you're adventure touring, you do need a lot of grip. When your terrain is not really what you're predicting at, it's not tarmac. So you need good sole, which it comes with. And along with that, again, सबका एक ही कहानी है. They claim waterproof, but I would say 99.99% waterproof. Comes with a good locking system, which you find in the expensive brand boots, and they've given it at a very economical price. So you can also adjust the width, what you need in the boot. Comes with solid toe protection, good reinforcement on the sides, good gear shifting protection here. If you see on the ankle, they give you pretty good protection on the sides as well. You get a stretchable material here which will help you when you're riding, and this is your posture, right? When you're riding, normally the boot goes this way and your leg mostly comes out, so you get a good comfort area here. Waterproof है नहीं है, क्या solution होगा? So you have boot covers. अभी मैं कोई भी boots पहनूं, टारमैक के पहनूं, सोलेस के पहनूं, ओराजो के पहनूं, मोटोटेक के पहनूं, या any other brand, or if I am wearing a track specific boot which is packed with protection, but मुझे अब इस राइड पे waterproofing चाहिए, मैं क्या करूं? रेंट ले लो या फिर pick up a boot cover. So a boot cover. Boot cover is basically something which looks like this. It will cover your entire boot. You have an elastic so that water does not go. You have a good sole. So a lot of these boot covers come with one single strap going behind, which goes off when you're riding. So they give you a complete sole where even if you walk in the rains, you'll get proper grip on the roads. You get a gear shifter patch here so that because of your gear lever, your boots do not get damaged. You get another flap to tighten it completely. If you see, they give you a pretty good waterproofing here. So this is how you can just enter into the boot. They come in two colors, grey and green. Something which I would say you can pick up for all your monsoon rides. So अभी हम बोल सकते हैं भाई 100% waterproof हो गया हमारा boot. रुक जाओ, सिर्फ अच्छा नहीं होता हर चीज में. There are negatives, and we would upfront talk about those things. So Orazo boots, yes, they've been a good support to a lot of riders who've been doing their lay rides and stuff like that, where a lot of riders have claimed bhai waterproof hai. Yes, it lacks protection. It lacks a lot of protection, which a normal riding boot is supposed to have. But again, आप पैसा भी तो आधा ही दे रहे हैं, तो उतने पैसे में उतना ही मिलेगा. So yes, these are not complete riding boot, but if you want to start for an entry level, आपको city rides करना है, for all those, this is one of the best you can go for. Soleil boots. Almost everything is what I liked about these boots. There was not, here and there कुछ I could say कि यार ये नहीं यार ये होना चाहिए. But what I can, additionally ask the brand to, maybe try to get colors in this. Because a lot of our riders would want to match our motorcycle with our gear. So, something which is more fluoro or red, blue, different colors. I mean, it's tough for the brand to get it. I also understand that. But, yeah, that would, make it more visible or, aesthetically even more better. Otherwise, comfort-wise, I really like these boots. A lot of the other brands are there in the market which give boots in 10K bracket. But I would still vouch for something like this. Over my experience, I've used these boots as well. So waterproofing, I have experienced waterproofing. Protection is quite a lot. During one of my crashes, the boot survived. I survived. सब कुछ बच गया था. सिर्फ उठ के बाइक पे बैठ के निकल गया मैं वापस. And yeah, so protection है, comfort है, looks है. Again, हर जगह एक scope of improvement होता है. So that can be colors.
So
Tarmac boots, one of the most versatile boots I would say, adventure touring के लिए. Slightly heavier compared to any of the other boots here. But again, आपको इतना सारा protection, ये वो, heels. So yeah, the weight increases. So we don't really blame the brand कि भाई आप इतना heavy क्यों ला रहे हो. But yeah, overall the boots are heavy. For Tarmac, I would say market this a lot because a lot of people don't really know कि भाई Tarmac के इतने सस्ते in 10,000 bracket, which you also get on offer as well. You get an adventure boots. So I would suggest if they could market that more, people would figure out ki there is something like this. And yeah, a lot of these riders have been using this and have very good positive feedback about it. Negative aspect is the weight, I would again say, because if you see in my list, comfort was something which should be there, and here a little bit of that is lacking only due to the weight. The insider padding, everything is very, very comfortable.
Okay, thank you मनन भाई आपका टाइम देने के लिए. और वीकेंड के दिन अर्ली मॉर्निंग आके मेरे को टाइम देने के लिए. सो इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू एंड थैंक यू फॉर सच डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द बूट्स जो लोग फोकस नहीं करते. नाउ दे नो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट द बूट इज. So whoever are interested can drop in. I will share the location link in the description. And also he has a website, Gear and Ride website. They ship the gears throughout India. Okay, so you can order online. But however, I would suggest that जैकेट जो वेयरेबल्स है उसके लिए आप फिजिकली स्टोर पे आए और टेस्ट करें. क्योंकि इवन आई नो कि जैकेट में जो जैसा मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि जैकेट और हेलमेट आपको प्रॉपर फिट होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी कंफर्टेबल एंड इट शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर प्रोटेक्शन. ऐसा नहीं कि हाफ वो. तो प्लीज़ ड्रॉप इन फॉर द वेयरेबल्स एंड अदर थिंग्स यू कैन ऑर्डर एंड आई विल शो यू अराउंड द स्टोर एंड आई विल शेयर यू ऑल द डिटेल्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. So thank you very much, Mamtai.
Yes.
Thank you.